Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be explaining how foreign key and how to differentiate foreign key and primary key. So first of all, let's explain what is primary key. A primary key is a column that uniquely identifies each record in a table. It cannot be empty and it must be unique. Then what is a foreign key? A foreign key is a column that links one table to another by referencing the primary key in that other table. It helps maintain a relationship between them. So let me explain here. Let me zoom this out for you. In this student ID, in the student table, right? That is the primary key. It uniquely identifies each student. And in the grade table here, the student ID is a foreign key. It connects each grade record to right student. So this student ID is the foreign key, is the primary key, is the primary key, while this grade table, the student ID here is the foreign key. It connects each grade record to the right student. So let me run this. After running it, that is when it gives me a grade ID, a student ID, subject, and a score. I add some data. I add insert into student values. 1, cryptic, that is the name. Then 2, Yakob. And then in the grade table, I insert values like 101, 1, math, then 90. Then this is the subject, and this is the student ID, and this is the grade ID, and this is the score. Here also, this is the grade ID, this is the student ID, this is the subject, and this is the score. So that is what it give me this. That's how I select all from student, all the information from student, and all the information from grade. That is all the information from primary key and all the information from foreign key. That's what when it gave me this. Here it gave me 101, that is the grade ID, then number 1, that is the student ID, then subject, that is maths, and score, that is 90. And here it gave me 102, the grade ID, number 2, the student ID, and number 3, that is this subject, that is science, right? And the score, that is 85. That means this one score 90 in math, and this grade ID is 101, and the student ID is 1. Then here the student score 85, and the subject is science, and his ID is number 2, and the grade ID is 102. So that is how I run everything. After running it, you can see here it shows all this. Insert into student value, that is cryptic, Yakob. It's all marked green, so that means the code is correct. Thank you for watching, and follow for more. So that is all for today. If you make sure you like, subscribe, and follow for more. Thank you.